How to link PSN PlayStation to Steam. Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to show you step by step that how to link PSN PlayStation to Steam, so let's dive in. First, you have to open your Steam account on your PC, and now you simply have to click the Steam icon on the top left corner. Once you do so, it's going to pop up with this menu. In this menu, choose Settings. And once you click the Settings option, it's going to pop up with this menu. Now, you can see Steam settings over here. Simply scroll down and find Remote Play in this menu and choose it. And once you choose Remote Play, you'll be able to see these options over here. You have to enable Remote Play. You can see I have enabled it already. You simply have to just toggle it on by clicking over here on this dot. And once done, you simply have to click this cross on the top right corner. And now, head over to your Chrome browser. You can use any browser that you have. I'm using Chrome. Now, you have to type in link PlayStation account to Steam on your browser, and then you have to open this first link. That is the official PlayStation link. Just right click on it and then click open link in new tab. I have already opened it over here. Once you're on this window, you have to scroll down and click continue. And now it's just going to take you to this side and you have to scroll down. And here you can see how to sign into PSN when playing a PlayStation game on PC. You have to purchase, download, and start an eligible PlayStation game playable on PC. And then you have to just follow these official steps. You have to go to the main menu from the game and select sign in. And then you can sign in using your sign in ID or email address, or you can create an account. And that's how you do it.